Hi and welcome to RC Kicks. My name's Gavin. On today's show, we finally get round to building my F1 Honda McLaren. I've been itching to get my hands on this one, but I wanted to finish up some other projects. I didn't want to end up with 3 projects on the go, but I've managed to finish the 959 and the Falcon's pretty much done. So, yay, I finally get to build this little puppy. No point waffling on, let's just crack on. Well, seemed to have a bit of a power cut, So we'll be right back after these adverts. I've now pretty much finished the chassis. I'm missing an electronic speed controller, so I'll place an order for one of those. I've got the servo in and the receiver. Next, it's to get the body done and give it a paint, cut it out, mount the stickers, and then give it a test run. The steering servo that I've got in the car is a bit OTT for this, but it's what I've got available, so I'll leave it in for now, but I'm sure I'll change it out because I won't run this that much. So it's a bit OTT really to have such a good servo in a car that I barely will use. Quite easy to put together, pretty simple actually, very basic. A few issues with some of the screws, but it went together fine in the end. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps this channel. Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye bye.